Hello, my name is Miriam, and this is Sue. We're community engagement coordinators here at DeafConnect. We're based in Parramatta, New South Wales. We have some exciting news we wanted to share with you. We have a new service called DeafConnect Near You. We will be visiting the Central Coast, Newcastle and Wollongong. This means you can access services near you. We will be making regular monthly visits. At each of these visits, we will be hosting walk-in services, so you do not need to book in advance. Come along and talk to us one-to-one about your support needs and how we can assist you. For example, we can support you in linking to services. We can also assist you with forms and letters. We can help with NDIS, including referrals to support coordinators, or linking you and supporting you to connect with the NDIS. We also offer general community support, and also we can talk to you about any general inquiries or questions that you might have. From time to time, we will host workshops, not on a regular basis, but based on topics needed in the deaf community. You will need to book for these workshops so we know how many will be coming and so that we can prepare. If you would like to have more information, please check the DeafConnect website on the events page. We look forward to seeing you there.